If AI keeps giving you weak answers, it's probably not the AI, it's your prompt. And if you're just pasting work stuff into your prompts, you're probably leaking more than you know. I'm going to show you how to craft better and most importantly, secure prompts that actually give you the output that you're looking for. Most people prompt AI like it's a search engine: short, vague, and lacking detail. And that's the real problem. Those guesses can sound confident, but they're often wrong or worse based on assumptions you never intended. So the goal of better prompting isn't just better wording. It's about giving the model exactly the amount of context it needs without oversharing. If you only take one thing out of this video, let it be this: don't paste sensitive information into AI prompts. That includes passwords, API keys, names, addresses, social security numbers, or basically anything you don't want everyone to know. Instead, abstract it and use placeholders like bracket user, bracket company, bracket account. You'll still get the same output. You're just removing the details that the model doesn't need to know. So here's the framework: role, goal, constraints, output, plus safe context. Role tells the AI what expertise to use. Goal defines what done looks like. Constraints put up guardrails to prevent hallucinations. And finally, output tells it how to deliver. And then safe context is taking that context from your problem and then sanitizing it of those specific indicators with those brackets like we talked about earlier. This example I'm about to show you is very security focused, but I just want you to keep in mind that it applies to any AI prompt you write. All right, so I have a couple of example prompts here. I got a bad prompt and I got a good prompt. Obviously, you could see the good prompt follows the framework I mentioned earlier with the role, the goal, the constraints, the output, and the safe context. And then the bad prompt obviously doesn't. So both of these prompts are about the same incident, right? And then one just has more context and is more structured, you can say. All right, so we'll put that in here and print it out. All right, so we got our output. So incident summary: Jake Stevens receives a suspicious password reset email, which he clicked after entering his credentials on the fake site. His account was compromised. The password used by Jake, password 123, was weak and easily guessable, contributing to the breach. And then a whole bunch of other stuff. So keep in mind here, we put in Jake Stevens, his name, his full name, and then his password into AI. So let's try the good prompt. Okay, so here's our good prompt. It follows our framework: role, goal, constraints, output, safe context. So our role, you're a cybersecurity analyst. Your goal is to write a brief incident summary for leadership. Your constraints are: do not guess or assume facts that are not provided. Don't make stuff up. If information is missing, list follow-up questions. Ask me. Do not request or output sensitive identifiers, right? But the thing, keep in mind, we're not supposed to be putting sensitive stuff in, okay? But if it does have sensitive stuff, don't put it out. Keep the total response under 120 words. So keep it short. Output format: the executive summary, 2 to 3 sentences. Then we want a what we know versus what we don't know. Then we got our safe context, our context that's been abstracted, right? So we took out the user. We got user right here. User clicked a fake password reset email. The link was redirected to a lookalike login account. We blocked the domain and forced a password reset. No confirmed credential reuse at this time. All right, so that's a lot more structured. Tells them exactly how we want our output. Let's put it in and see what happens. All right, so we got a little bit more concise answer here. Executive summary: a user clicked on a phishing email containing a fake password reset link, which redirected to a lookalike login. The malicious domain has been blocked and forced password reset has been implemented for the user. No credential reuse has been confirmed at this time. What we know: user clicked the phishing email, redirected to a fake login page, malicious domain blocked, forced password reset completed, and no confirmed credential reuse. What we don't know: full scope of the potential impact, whether user provided credentials to the fake login page. Next, recommended actions: monitor for abnormal user activity or failed login attempts, conduct user awareness training regarding phishing, and then review logs for any other potential phishing attempts across the organization. Hopefully now you can see how a little structure in your prompt can improve its output's accuracy. Now keep in mind that was a very simple example on purpose. As you add more relevant context like timelines, user actions, controls involved, the quality of your output improves dramatically.
Think about image generation for a second. If you just ask AI to make you a picture of a dog, you're just going to get something generic. And if you ask it the same way 20 different times, you're going to get 20 different images, right? But if you add more details about lighting, perspective, colors that you want to use, the image is going to be way more controlled. It's going to be more of what you're looking for. It's just going to be better quality overall. If you learned something from this video or you just like my content, subscribe and like for more. God bless.